Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to transform some tin cans into a desk organizer.
The things that you need are 4 recycled tin cans, a large one, and 3 smalls.
Masking tape, glue, hot glue gun, and glue sticks.
Scrapbook paper, thin cardboard, and craft foam.
So let's get started. Firstly, cover the cans with thin cardboard and add masking tape to glue it.
Then decorate the cans with scrapbook paper and glue it with glue.
Cover the inside with paper and the bottom with craft foam.
Glue each other with hot glue by one side.
You can use some books to help them stay in place while the glue dries.
Finally, decorate as you wish.
Now you can use them as a desk organizer. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!